Hey there, I'm Sid, and in this video we will know about effects control panel. So here we are in Premiere Pro. Let's try a clip here. Okay, so we have a clip here in our timeline. Let's jump to the effects panel. Firstly, we have motion. In motion, we have position and scaling. In position section, you find X and Y axis of the clip. Second, you have scaling. With this, you can scale up or down your clip. If you deselect the uniform checkbox, you can scale the height or width separately. Here we have height. Now it's increasing, and we can decrease the width. Which gives a distorted look in our footage. Next we have rotation, which rotates the clip clockwise or anti-clockwise. Next we have anchor point. It is not like position. It consists of a marker in the center of the clip which we can change and move to different location, and then we can change different properties across the anchor point, and the same goes with the scaling also. Next we have the anti-flicker filter, and honestly I didn't use it that much. Basically, if you increase the filter level and if flickering is in your shot, then it will decrease the flickering. Next up is opacity. By dragging the cursor around this value, you can make your video more transparent. Here we have blend modes. Below opacity, these modes are used as a preset to blend 2 or more videos. Then we can adjust the audio property of the clip. This will of course only work with the clip which has audio attached to it. If it is not linked to your video, then you can also select the audio clip and change those properties. Basically, you can adjust the volume and panel audio from left to right. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one.